During the research carried out by the Radio Emissions Project, it emerged that it is important to use multiple RDF stations to allow researchers to understand the geographical area where an earthquake will occur. The RDF station is based on a technology that derives from the 1920s, namely radio direction finding, a technique used for the first time to understand the spatial position of radio broadcasters thanks to the use of multiple receiving stations located at great distances from each other. This technique is also known as radio triangulation. The technique was then also used during the Second World War, to detect the presence and position of enemy aircraft in Europe and the Atlantic. Today the radio triangulation technique is used by most equipment that uses electromagnetic waves, such as cell phones, airplanes, cars and car radios. In the seismic field, the Radio Emissions Project was the first research project to use a network of this type to detect the position of natural electromagnetic sources that precede earthquakes. From this point of view, it is therefore important that there are an ever-increasing number of RDF stations located on the ground globally. The next step will be to take the data from each individual station to process them together and offer researchers the opportunity to identify any areas where such signals are generated, with an ever-increasing number of stations that are able to electromagnetically monitor the entire surface of the terrestrial globe.